Wake up, Killy. Wake up, Killy. We have a OG skateboard meetup today. Here he goes. Here he goes. Yeah, get on that coping. Oh yeah, here it comes. Get ready for it, guys. Oh, I knew he was gonna nail it there. Yeah, get on that deep end. Oh, he's not gonna make it. It's too slow, I could tell. Am I blocking the pool real bad?
Yeah, real bad.
How does my head go up to the top of the camera?
No, not all the way. But it blocks it pretty bad.
Show me where on the screen. Is it about over halfway?
Yeah. It's like almost to the top of the screen.
Hit a run. Get me fired up, dude. Get me motivated for it. We got 30 minutes right now to warm up our lines before they pull in. Yeah. Woo! Nice. I'm a little, I don't know how I got loose. Definitely feels too loose for me. It's kind of weird. All right, guys, here we are again. We're back. We're meeting the homies out from Dallas. They were the ones that told me about this spot. That's why I didn't feel like I really had the right to blow it up in the comments. They hadn't been here yet. We were gonna meet them out here last weekend, and it wasn't the right thing to do. So if you asked me the location in the comments and I didn't tell you, I apologize. But that's the reason why. Check it out. Got the new wheels. Dragon formulas, of course. And I went ahead and put the new shape on them. And we're gonna see how that goes right now. Whoa, I'm in the back seat of it. All right. Now what I need to do is drop in here and go around front side. Let's go a little more on those. Trucks are feeling too loose. Go, Killy. Get some practice before the dudes get here. I'm a little spooked, I'm not gonna lie, about dropping in through the deep end. Will you come do it for me right in front of me?
Okay.
Last time over there in the shallow end, it helped watching you do it first.
Right there?
Yeah, just do it right here.
You want me to do it there?
Yeah. Don't do a whole run, just do it and jump out so that I can go right after you.
Easy, just bend down.
right, so it's funny. I leave here last week. I got all these plans for when I come right back out. One was drop in here, which at least I did it. 2 was front side carve grind in the shallow end. Remember, the guys want you to try to go front side today. Still, you want one? There we go. Go around. I just don't have enough speed, Billy. That line might work if I get better at it. I'm gonna just put my trash away so the locals see me disposing of my trash. You slid it out nice. Dude, I see what you're talking about. It takes the right amount of balance. I think, I don't even know what to tell you. I think too much in the pocket, maybe? Your front foot. The coping grinds, it's weird. On grinding, coping's different than pipe, because when you're on concrete, you want to push down into it, and that holds you to your board. If you're going in like you're pretending it's a metal coping, you're going to just be more mellow. When I think you want to purposefully jam it down. I'm still a little scared about this. Ah! If I had 2 more feet, 2 more feet at least, I think that would be it. You see what I did there? When I came up, I tried to push into it. We're getting a little warm up in before the homies from Dallas show up. We totally, on this channel, man, I welcome any of you older dudes, that wanna meet up and skate. I don't even mind questions. I get a lot of questions on Instagram about gear and things like that. I've been thinking about opening a members only section on this channel where I'll do help for the beginners out there that have specific questions or want specific detail. I know my boy and I are trying to do music right now, and we wish we had somebody that would give us some personalized help for how to know what key and how to set keys and BPMs and all of this stuff for music. So I realize there'll probably only be 1 or 2 of you that might do a monthly membership for something like that, but I would have no problem even making a personalized video for someone dealing with a certain something, let alone calls or whatnot. So we're glad we got out here a little bit before. We're trying to try some new angles in this bowl. Hit it, Killy. Come on, let's see something. I'm just trying to, what are my goals? I want to hit backside carve grinds, double truckers there. I tried dropping in already and then coming here front side to get around. I tried dropping in here to get around there backside. it's giving me some difficulty, man. This is why I'm super happy to be able to put a camera on these guys I got coming out today, because these are old veterans and rippers. I think a lot of them are like surfer dudes too. I know I see one of the guy like rips these wave parks out here and just kills it. So kind of fired up to see what they do when they see this thing for the first time and try to plan some lines. They're going to be here any minute, so let me get another run. It's not enough speed, dude. I was thinking of that too. A front side slash, or maybe some kind of like something that could keep my momentum up. Because I really want to line up for a backside grind where I feel like I have an extra second. Yeah, get it, Kelly. Yes. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Fathers of skateboarding kids, doesn't that make you proud? Yes.
How's it going, dude? You promised us no rain, so you better stick to that.
How you doing, man? Good to see you again. What are you guys' initial thoughts?
Tight.
It is tight, dude. I thought